How to lower the quality in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can lower the quality in CapCut. So, let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your CapCut application and tap on New Project. Now, select the clip where you want to lower the quality. Once you are on this page, now click on your video and zoom it out really far like this. Once you do that, now export the video by simply clicking on this little icon at the top right corner. Once the video is exported, again go to the project and tap on Overlay. Again, click on Add Overlay and select that video you have just exported. Now, zoom the video so that it can fit the screen like this. So, there you have it. In this way, you can make the lower quality in CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.